I've been having problems with this PlayStation for 2 days now. First off, I couldn't get it to come on, man. I had to do a hard reset, or you go into safe mode and you initialize your ps4. Okay, so that didn't work. I did it like 2 or 3 times and it went through. So I finally got my ps4 to come back on. So now I try to go to the PlayStation store. As you can see, I have no games or anything, but I could try to go to watch me some YouTube or download a game or anything. Won't let me do it. But I'm gonna show you the trick to that real quick. Yeah, Netflix, none of that. Couldn't download anything. But as you can see right now, my YouTube is downloading right now. Let me show you. Yeah, right there. It's downloading. But I'm gonna show you what I did. I went to settings and went to account management. Simple fix. Went down to restore license and just hit restore, and that fixed it. I could go to the PlayStation store now. I can download my games. All my games that I had I couldn't download, I can download them now. So that was my quick fix right there.